Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you something for Valentine's. I'm using this box that contains candles and this fabric. We found these items at the dumpsters. I think this is from Michael's for sure, and I think this is from Joanne. And I say we because my daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we find a lot of treasures there. And we are dumpster chicks. We have a channel that is going to be linked in the description box below. If you want to pay a visit, you will be absolutely in awe seeing the things stores throw into the garbage. But well, let's get into the craft. I traced the contour of the box on the fabric, and then I cut it and I left these pieces to cover the inside of the box. So let's start doing that. Let me tell you that in the meantime, this is for a challenge that is Using Trash to Create Treasure, which is hosted almost monthly by Coffee with My Sunshine, and her co-host this month is Simple Ruth, Simple Living. So I will leave the link to their channels also in the description box, along with the link to the playlist with all the videos entered in the challenge. Please visit the hostesses' channels and watch the videos. You will find a lot of inspiration, and you will help us grow, especially if you leave some comments and some likes. So well, this is now a matter of folding. Oh, I have to fold this first because I want these sides to be covered by this piece of fabric. So let's do this. Well, as you can see, it's not complicated. It only takes a little bit of time. Now I have a piece of scrapbooking paper that I'm going to place in the bottom so it has a better finish. It's not going to be seen initially because I'm going to place some goodies inside the box, of course, but when I remove them, I want this to look a little bit better. Okay, so now I'm going to add this ribbon all around the box. And I'm going to add also this garland from Dollar Tree. Look at them, they are so beautiful. So I intend to add it on top of the ribbon. They come in 3 colors. They are adorable. So this is something I'm going to do. I'm going to add a tiny bow in the center. Probably I have to look and see if I like that. And then what I'm going to add is I bought this photo frame at Dollar Tree. It comes like this and it has a little paper with the image of a family here. I removed it. The color, of course, is natural. It's ready to finish. I painted it pink. And I also got at Dollar Tree these hearts that I'm going to use and you are going to see what I'm going to do in the center of this heart. So I'm going to do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. As you can see, I added the ribbon and the garland all around. I also glued the heart, the wooden heart. I need to paint it a little bit more here. I don't know if I showed you, this was the base. Yes, I show you because I show you the back. So I forgot to paint that part. Finally, I decided to add the bow, and what I did here was I cut a shape. I eyeballed it. I traced this shape on the fabric, on a piece of the fabric, and then I cut a smaller heart, like you see here, and I used one of these hearts from Dollar Tree. They are felt hearts, and again I traced the heart, this one, and cut a smaller heart, and I glued those pieces together, and then I adhered them to the frame, and I placed this piece of cardboard, cardstock. It's not cardboard, it's cardstock, to give the back a better finish. Now I'm going to fill this box with 3 of these, I don't know how to call it, I don't remember the name, marshmallow bombs, something like that are delicious, let me tell you. And this is for my friend Maria, so I'm going to give this to her for Valentine's. I'm going to wrap this in a cellophane bag, with another bow here, but I don't want to do this now because otherwise you're not going to be able to see what is inside. So I'm just stopping here, and this is it. Well, I hope you like my creation. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please visit the hostess's channel and the videos in the playlist. Thanks to both of them for hosting. Thanks to all of you for watching my video, and hope to see you in my next one. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.